As I was saying before, battery ran out. Look at that, totally busted piece of shit. Don't know what make it is, but absolutely god awful engineering there. Poor metals. Anyway, we've got a nice diamondback crank arm on there, one piece system, very old school. Redid the pedals, bearings on there as well. That was loose, it's now solid as a rock. It's running a lot better. That's smooth on that side, but this one here I suspect it got damaged a bit, but we tried to salvage what we could out of that one, but it's a lot safer. What else did we do? Trued the wheel was a bit down, so yeah, got that done. The rims, as you can see, they're a lot more shinier now. Sun can pick that up. Nice and shiny. I had to reuse this stuff, which is great. This metal polish by Autosol, absolutely brilliant stuff. Just a rag, wipe it on there, burnt, you know, hard on your fingers doing it manually. Anyway, cleaned that up, came up beautifully. I like to spend more time on it, but it's a customer's time, and I had to think about you have to judge between how much time you're going to spend on it and is it worth it for the customer. He's going to turn up today. Hopefully he will be. Painted the rims here because you want these shiny as well. So it's a you know, it's a looker bike, you know, it's a show off looker bike, and he wants to take it to shows and stuff. So anyway, we painted the walls of the tyres with this stuff. It's called I don't know, let's get the tin around here. Yeah, this stuff here, Tyre Black by Autotech. Yeah, brush on paint, dries in about an hour and a half. Yeah, messed it up a little bit, but trying to do it. It's the first time I used it. Same with the Autosol, very good stuff though. Anyway, hub, rear hub, trued the wheel, painted rims, the walls, the aluminium rims. Put that new crank on, redid the bottom bracket, greased it, cleaned it, replaced the drive side bearings on this side, cleaned the frame, also did the front hub because that was knackered as well. There's a GT hub there, and yeah, we did that. Painted the walls on this one as well. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but they're looking pretty juicy. Yeah, lovely, like so. Let's get it from this side because the sun's in that way. Let me get a better picture there. Looks lovely. And did the rims as well, shined them up. So painted on the walls of the tyre. Lovely. And the rims are looking shiny and lovely. Lovely. Right. Cleaned the bike up generally. Mud guard was loose. Tightened that up. And basically just took it off and gave it a bang from underneath. It's got rivets underneath it. This thing here, the cap's missing. These nuts were all loose, retightened all that. What else? The bell, the horn, I mean, all these nuts were loose on here. Well, anyway, so yeah, did a good job there, I reckon. I hope the customer's going to be happy. We'll soon find out. Bugger to tension this chain. I think that's sort of as close as I can get it. They say about 1 and 1.5 link movement. I mean, that's a little bit loose for my liking, but I think there's an offset on the chain ring because sometimes it gets tighter. So here, see, it's now got tighter. So I think this ring here, there's a slight, it's not as round as it should be, or maybe this one. So yeah, something very odd there. But I'll show you how the coaster brake works. Basically, as you turn, you're turning, you go coasting along, and then you want to, so that's on coasting mode, so the pedals aren't turning. The hub is in coasting mode. Drive mode, slight noise there, very slight. And then if you pedal backwards, stops the wheel. So let's do that again. Get back a bit. Pedaling away. And see that? Oh, it's hard to get into the flipping screen. I need a bloody stand, that's what I need. Alright, let's try that again. See that? It's a very clever system. I love it. Ingenious. Over 100 years old, this system. It's got a lovely sort of ratchet. There's YouTube videos on how they work and stuff, but check it out. Coaster brakes, mate, absolutely spot on. Anyway, this bike is now looking a lot more shiny and lovelier than it did, and it's all running beautifully. The wheels are spinning gorgeously. There you go. Listen to that. Bloody wheel keeps on turning. Can you hear that? I don't know if the mic can pick that up. A few little rattles inside there, but it's pretty smooth. Didn't have to true that wheel there. Anyway, that's the Kustom Kruiser bike, and all done. Customer should be turning up and hopefully he's happy. Anyway, catch you later guys, bye.